Hey beauties! So this is part 2 to packing for my vacation. I didn't do it in one video, but it was like super long, so I decided to make it into 2 videos. So the first one you're gonna see is me packing all of the stuff for my family, and then this part 2 is just packing my makeup for my weekend trip. So if you're interested in seeing what I pack for my weekend trip, then grab a snack, grab a bottle of water, and then just keep on watching. I have no makeup on, obviously, because I am filming the other video as well. But let's get on to the makeup, shall we? Talking about what I'm going to take with me for makeup. Okay, so this is when sample size products come in handy when you're traveling, just because I find it so much easier to pack. Now, I do want to take some type of a foundation to like put all over my skin. I don't do a foundation. What I do is a BB cream, and this one is by e.l.f. and this is in the color Buff. This is a little tiny bit light, but I'm gonna have bronzer and things like that, so I can make it work. So I take this in my bag. See, I love this Tarte bag because I can totally like put so much stuff in here. So that's the first thing. Then of course, actually, I do a primer. So I take 2 primers. I have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer, which is a little mini, and then I have the Professional. So both of these, I take those with me, throw that in there. And then I do take, I told you I do take a SPF and a daily moisturizing lotion. So this is by Aveeno. This is their daily moisturizing lotion in sheer hydration. Then I have the Aveeno Active Naturals Protect and Hydrate Lotion. It's a sunscreen. It has SPF of 30. And it says helps reverse skin dehydration with nourishing oats. So I take those 2 minis with me because skincare is pretty big right now, especially because I'm getting older. Nonetheless. Then after the BB cream, I do take a concealer. I take more of a fuller coverage concealer, being that I'm doing a lighter BB cream. So I am taking the No Filter concealers from ColourPop in the colors medium 30 and beige 25. So those go in there. Now for powder, I take a compact powder. So I'm taking the Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder. I love this powder, no shine. Now, the next item is shadows. So usually I would take this, which is my cute little eye and cheek palette from Tarte, which is very versatile. You can use this as a cute blush, you can use this as a bronzer, you can do an all over eye look with this, you can pretty much use this interchangeably. But because I'm going to a party and because I do want at least some type of color type thing, I am going to take 2 small mini palettes. This is what I tell you, sample sizes work. So I just got this in my Ipsy bag, right? Yes, my Ipsy bag last month. And this is the Pacifica Tomboy Vibe Natural Minimal Eyeshadows, and I love this. This is such a cute little summery, beachy, mini type. Gives me kind of color to play with, but I can also do like a neutral look. So I kind of like this a lot. And then because that one doesn't have transition colors, I'm actually gonna take this cute little quad, the eyeshadow quad from Wet n Wild, the Color Icon one. And so I'm taking this one with me. So that has my transition shades. Taking those 2 with me. And then have to do my eyebrows, right? So my eyebrows is the only thing that I am taking my full routine, which is my LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. I'm taking my ColorMates, what's that? My ColorMates Brow Duo Kit, Brow Powder Duo Kit, and then I'm taking the ColourPop Brow Boss Gel, because I'm still playing around with this and trying to see how the formula works. I do take an eyeliner with me, so I am taking the Urban Decay 24-Hour Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion, and this is the sample size that I got from Ulta. So, actually Sephora, one of those. It's a really pigmented pencil, so, and it glides on, obviously. So I'm taking this one with me, it's easy. And then in case I want to just have a nude one, I'm taking the ColourPop Gel Creme Gel Liner Pencil in Nude. So it gives me like 2 options, you know, for 2 different color eyeshadows. Now, because like I said, there is gonna be a party, and if I wanna make, you know, myself look a little bit more presentable, I am gonna take a liquid liner. I usually wouldn't, but I am going to. So I'm taking the Essence Super Precise eyeliner, because I know that I work really well with that and I can do a really sharp wing. Now, I'm not taking false lashes with me because why the hell would I do that? I am taking mascara. So I'm taking the Tarte Tardiest Lash Pink Mascara and then the Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. These 2 little minis I'm taking with me. And then just because I know this mascara works really well and I kind of like it a lot, I'm taking the Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension Mascara with lengthening fibers, because this mascara makes me look like I have false lashes. For face, I'm going to take my Essence My Must Haves palette that I created, and then this has bronzer, 2 blushes, and a highlight. Let me open it for you, if I can open it. There you go. And then this is how it looks. Bronzer, 2 blushes, and a highlight. Nice and compact. I can fit that right in. And there you go. Then for, I'm taking a compact mirror. This is I got this in the dollar store actually. I'm taking this. I'm also taking my setting spray. I'm taking the Air Repair Complexion Quenching Facial Mist, and this I got in an Ipsy bag as well. So I'm taking this. So for lips, I'm gonna be taking this sample size of the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Balm and the Sugar Lip Scrub. I got this in my little birthday kit. And I love their agave lip balm. I wear it almost every night before I go to bed and moisturizes my lips and everything. So of course, take this. Now, okay, for lips, I am a lipstick girl. So I'm taking 2 lipsticks and 3 lip liners. So, and I'm gonna take a gloss. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually taking a primer for my lips. This is the ColourPop Lippy Stick Primer, and I'm taking this because the formula I'm taking is their Lippy Sticks, but this is the Matte and the Matte X formulas. So because I'm doing a matte lip, I definitely want to prime my lips. So for colors on those, I'm taking the color Lumiere, which is a nude. Then I'm taking a reddish orange, which is a nice kind of bright color, but not too bright, like not neon, but like bright enough where it's pretty. And this is in the color Love Light. And for lippy sticks, which is these, or lippy pencils, excuse me, I'm taking Lumiere to go with the Lumiere lip liner. I'm taking Click, which is that orangey color, to go along with Love Life. And then I'm taking BFF, which is a nude. I'm also going to take in the Ultra Glossy Lip, the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collaboration in Moonchild, which is like the perfect nudie lip gloss. And as far as makeup remover, I'm going to be taking these 2. You guys know how much I love my makeup wipes. They're super fast. And then I'm going to also be taking the Clinique Take the Day Makeup Remover. And this is the travel size. And as far as brushes, I'm going to be taking this little bag, and it has all of my travel brushes. These are like mini size brushes. I have eye brushes in there, face brushes, so that's all good. And then I'm taking along with that my sponge, my favorite sponge, which is this one right here, the Eco Tools, which I gotta clean, the Eco Tools Beauty Sponge. And I'm actually going to put it in this container to go. This is the original Beauty Blender. So I'm just gonna throw it in there like that. And we're good to go. And that completes the video. If you enjoyed watching me pack for my weekend trip, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload videos, which is on Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. But yeah, this is a really quick video. my part 2 to packing for my mini vacation with my family. And I appreciate everybody watching. Leave comments, feedback, any suggestions, any ideas down below in the comments. And I will see you beauties all in my next video. Bye.